How's it going? Back at the Financial Enabler podcast, we want to talk a little about earnings, some results, some mixed signals, some of the problems that are going on. So right now in the headlines, there's a lot about record profits, that we have achieved a soft landing, allegedly, right? So the issue is that the numbers really don't reflect that. Beneath all the excitement that we're seeing in the news, and the stock market today just hit an all-time high, some companies are on fire, others are cracking under that pressure. So you'll love the data today. The S&P 500 have reported so far, 58 of the S&P 500 have reported. 86% have beat earnings, 84% beat revenue, and total earnings are up 8.5%. Corporate America is still paying its bills. It's growing, seems to be doing well. So the expectations are high, but there's a margin of error that is disappearing. So who is carrying the weight? And this is something that I think that is important to understand. The majority of the weight of the S&P 500 is by the top companies, okay? Whilst financials may be up 20%, there's a surge in investment banking deals, and the deal makers, they're back, they're making a lot of moves, advisory fees are flowing, technology is doing well, mergers acquisitions are up. These are the trend lines worth tracking, right? We want to look at how there's growth and how there's potential. And let's dive into the warning signs. So this is where the cracks start forming. Companies have expectations got hit hard. They're down 4.5%. In normal times, that drop would be about 2.6%. That means that Wall Street's patience is pretty much gone. So the weak spots are still energy and consumer staples. Buyers are trading down. People are not able to stretch a dollar, even though the Magnificent Seven, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, and Tesla are doing great. They are the ones carrying the market. So think about concentration of risk. 7 companies are propping up all 500. So what's going on with the other 500? So watch the math, and I would encourage people to diversify. There's some great things that you can do out there to protect yourself. And in another podcast, we talked about the effects on commercial real estate. So here's the truth. There's strength, but you got to be selective. Profits are rising, costs like labor, borrowing, supply chains, and all pressing margins. Companies are winning the battle, but they're losing energy doing it. So focus on brands that care about people and culture. Those survive downturns. And I'm not talking about DEI. I'm talking about the right culture, a company that is believing, that is going somewhere with the right leadership. That's one of the biggest secrets of Warren Buffett. He is able to understand the leadership, the CEOs, the entire C-suite, so he is able to drive us like strong financials and a good culture. Market rewards clarity, not chaos. So here's how to play it smart. Don't buy into just the financials. Understand the companies. Pick the companies that are doing well, have good culture, and make the moves post earnings, right? Once you understand them and you see what they're doing, then you can make some better decisions. I particularly keep it simple with the S&P. There's going to be a massive gap between beginners and losers. So map out your data. Don't just be emotional with this, okay? Now, I encourage everybody to protect their wealth and to understand the risk. So if you look at your strategy, understand diversification. There's the S&P, there's other investment strategies that you can protect it. And there's a big concern, right? The market is at all-time high, debt's at an all-time high, interest rates are not high yet. Let's say they keep going up, and there's going to be effects on that, okay? So I want people to be aware of their financial situation so they can better protect themselves in case there's a problem. There's concern, there's stress, and we got to do our part to remove that stress and have certainty for our financials. So this is the Financial Enabler podcast. We're going to be adding some more information like this, and love to hear it. Glad that you guys are following. Make sure you put it a comment or follow on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Glad you're here.
This podcast is not financial advice, and it only represents the opinions of those participating. Our goal is to get you to your version of financial independence. Please follow and like on every platform.